Hey Dan, welcome to my blog, and this is a follow-up on using the KACHAVA. And what I've got here, I'm using the vanilla flavor. What I did is I've got 2 bananas, I've got 16 ounces of water, and I've also got 16 ounces of barley, and with that coconut fusion. It's really good. I normally put 2 in there, but I don't have a. I'm out. This is the last one I got. So this is just a recipe that I'm using right now with this. Like I said, two bananas, and then 16 ounces of Ballet Fusion, and then 16 ounces of purified water is what I have in here. So we power it up and let's blend it. And with that amount of mix, it's almost 3 16-ounce. 8. Is that 18? It's 18. Oh, 18. Okay. Okay. That's almost enough to make 3 18-ounce containers. That was 16 ounces. Okay, so there we are. With that concoction, I definitely use a funnel and put it back in for making a mess. So anyway, there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And you'll catch me on the next Dan Crosby's vlogs under health and fitness. And this is a recipe for KACHAVA. Take a look down in the descriptions and click on the link, check it out, and you get a $15 discount on your first order.